morning, gentlemen. So today we are going to discuss about time management. So your topic is the time management. You have to discuss about the various aspects of the time management, in which you have to consider the different advantages of the time management, how you can manage your life, and how you can improve and enhance the skills of your ability also. And in the various aspects and various successful persons, how they have used the time management and they have increased their productivity by using this kind of concept. So you have to discuss about the time management. So in your group discussion you have to start now.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic time management. As we all know that time is the universally the most important aspect of one's personal as well as professional success life. And no one in the world to date becomes successful without managing their time well. Time management is the process of exercising and planning control over our specific activities which increase our effectiveness, efficiency, and productivity. Time demands to be our professional and personal life and also our family, social life, hobbies, and commitments. And according to many personalities, time is as Mahatma Gandhi said that live as if you die tomorrow and learn as if you were to live forever. And also, Swami Vivekananda said, time is limited. Don't waste it. You're living someone else's life. And also, the bad thing is time flies, and the good thing is you are a pilot. And also there are so many benefits and tips of the time management. The tips are that we set our goals clearly and smart. Smart means specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. And we can also improve the time management by prioritize wisely. That we think what the tasks are important and need to be done on a time, and the tasks which are not important, so we can delay that task, and that's why we manage our time well. And also we have to take breaks between the tasks so that it make us stress relief and also far away from anxiety and depression. And if
According to Benjamin Franklin, we said that time once gone, be not found again, and so we should should go step by step and do all in everything. And time once, according to Mahatma Gandhi said that we time depend future depend on time, and and he cannot do everything, and time in your daily life we get 24 hours, so time create many boundaries in your daily life. We cannot do everything in one day. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. Today we are discuss about time management. Time management is one of the most valuable thing in our life. The secret of success in time, it is efficient of time, whether it is labor or farmer, poor or rich, and scholar or student. Time has equal right of time, every people. Thank you.
Yes, I agree with you, sir, that laborers, kings, rich people, poor people, etc. Everyone get equal rights of times, and if you are a housewife, businessman, etc., you if if you able to manage your time, you get achievement in your life.
yes, I am agree with you. By the well time management, we are get more success in our life. According along with this, we also get a disciplined life because we have to follow a schedule or a plan in a day. That's why it also help us to we are disciplined life.
As you said, that chess number 2, in our life only 24 hours in a day. So we can made a schedule for use of time and complete our tasks.
Yes, I agree with you, choice number one. That the time is a very precious thing in our life, and the time is never come back in the future.
Yes, you are right. The time is a renewable resource, and when it is gone, it will never come. So we have to do our work step by step on time. We have 86,400 seconds, and we should spend every second with effective and productiveness. Time is the process of controlling and managing how much time to spend in specific activities. It is rightly said that time and tide wait for none. Time is a very created thing. To say that I don't have time is to say that I don't to do.
As we all have discussed in our group discussion, that time is the most valuable thing in our daily life. So we have to manage our time and make a schedule to be a successful person in our life and increase our productivity and build up our confidence and also be a disciplined life. Because without time management we are not able to get success in our life, because if we do not manage our time well, then we feel stressed, depressed, and also feel anxiety. That's why we are not able to succeed that much in our life. As the Miles Davis said, time isn't the main thing, it's the only thing.